Hi everyone, this is Bartosz here, recording from my studio in Dallas, Texas. Today is a happy day. It's only 95 Fahrenheit outside, which is great. Summer is here. I actually love this summer. However, my body don't respond that well to this kind of weather. It's great to be here again with you guys. Today the topic of my video is very simple. I'm going to pack the artwork that I sold yesterday, and it's going to be all about that. The thing that I'm going to show you is titled Colors of Corona. This is the series that I started a couple weeks ago, and I'll be continuing this kind of paintings through entire year. The good thing about those kind of small paintings is the fact that they sell pretty fast, and I have that enjoyment of packing them and going to post office, sending them. There is something about it that I can't really find in the large work. Large work is always a different hassle. I have to buy wood, build a crate, or order the crate, make sure that shipping is organized the way that it should be, and all those other things comes in. The painting that you see is small. What can I say about this painting? It's based on previous paintings that I did in my studio this year. So it's not direct response to pandemic situation. It just I just painted what I felt. Without any further ado, let's just begin packing this work. Thank you so much for all of you who recently subscribed to my channel. Please spread the word and to your friends. Maybe they want to subscribe as well. You know, family, friends, uncles, aunties, all kinds of relatives, and among all other people that might be interested to watch my videos. I'm planning to post a time-lapse of one of the works that I'm doing behind. I'm working currently on, and I'll be kind of maybe during the time-lapse I'll be describing what I'm actually doing. It's not gonna be a tutorial. I'm not that type of artist to do tutorials, so if you are looking for this type of content, you have to switch to a different channel. There is plenty of channels that do a good job, and I would encourage to definitely go there. It's a great day for painting, and I definitely feel that way. I want to make sure that I will use this energy toward the canvases and keep posting. Today I'm going to post this video, and also I'm going to record a video for tomorrow that I will post 7 AM in the morning. That way I can start posting in a different time. It's very important to me, and I already mentioned that in a previous video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.